Hey guys, welcome to WrapPixel. In this tutorial, you will get a comprehensive guide on the installation and customization of the admin template that you have recently downloaded onto your local system. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be using one of the templates from WrapPixel. The process remains applicable to all the other templates as well. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the tutorial.
So in this video, we will see how you can download and use the Spike admin dashboard, which is built on Angular material, which is a CSS framework, one of the best frameworks available if you're working with Angular. And this Spike Angular dashboard comes with lots of ready to use page templates, forms, charts, tables, and different modes. And you will also get the Figma file once you download and extract the files from the main folder. So let's go ahead and see how you can install the project on your local system, and how you can run it, and how you can change the main files in order to use it. So once you download and extract the files, you will get these three main folders: the Figma file, docs, and packages. Inside the docs, we have this index file. If you'll open it, it will open on the web browser, and here are all the instructions that is needed to change the how you can start the project, how you can install it on your local system, and all the major configurations, right? And if you go back, you will get the Figma link. Here is the Figma link. If you want to check the designs, you can go ahead and check it. In the package file, we have one main file, which is the main project. It also has as a starter kit. You can use it if you want. Let's go to the main file. This is the main file. Let's go back to the documentation and check how you can start the project. So here are these are some of the things, description of the project. This is the support ticket. If you want some more help, not able to get the installation done properly, then you can raise the ticket. Let's go to package structure. So this is the main structure of Spike Angular dashboard. In the package, we have main file. In the src file, we have the main application files. So this, in the layout, we have blank and full layout. Inside pages folder, we have all the main files of the UI. Inside assets, we have all the images that we have used in the project. Angular.json and package.json, you will get all the information of the project and the dependencies inside the package.json. Right. Let's go to quick start and let's see how you can start the project. So these are two things that you need on your local system: the Node.js 17 plus version and NPM JS 8 plus version. So how you can check if it's installed on your system or not? You just have to type command inside the search bar and open the command prompt. Type node space -v to check the node version. My local system has 21.1.0 version, so it's more than 17 plus. That's good. And let's check the npm version. To check npm version, write npm space -v and press enter. So mine has 10.2. It's more than it. So I have both the requirements to start the project. If your system shows any error, so what you can do, you can go to the main files, the official documentation of the Node.js and npm to install the Node.js, the latest version of Node.js onto your local system. So when you open the Node.js website, you will get these two versions: 21.7, the current one, which has the latest features, but the most stable one is 20.11. And it's also written here that it's recommended for most users. So I think you can go to 20.11 and you can download the Node version from here. Same goes with the NPM. Once you download it, what you have to do, you just have to open your code editor, right? So this is the main file which I have already opened here. You just have to go to the folders. This is my folder. Either you can go with the starter kit that has all the main basic application, but all the main files are in the this main folder. So what you can do, you can just select the main folder and click on the select folder. That's how you can start the project. So in order to start the project, you have to download node modules. And if you're using yarn, you can go with yarn. If you're using npm, you can go with npm. So let's go with npm space I stands for install. That's the short form of installation. It will take few minutes to install all the node package manager modules. Right, so npm node package modules have been installed. As you can see here, a new folder will be created by the name of node underscore modules. Right, let's go back to the documentation and see how you can start the project. So it's written here, once npm install is done, now you can run the app. Either you can use ngserv-o or you can also use npm start. I'm going with the npm start to start the project. So our project has started now on localhost 4200. What we have to do is have to press Ctrl and click on this link, and the application will start on localhost 4200 on the default browser. See, so this is our main project, as you can see. Let's check the dashboard 2. This is dashboard 2. These are some of the inbuilt chat application, calendars, we have different forms, tables, charts. If you want to use charts, you can go with. So this is the dashboard one, and here if you can see, when you click on the dark mode, it will change into the dark mode. You can also change the color themes, you can change the theme direction and the other UI options. Let's go back to the documentation and see how we can manipulate it. So to build the application, you have to use this command ng space build if you are ready to deploy it on the server. So let's go to color and see how you can override the colors. In order to override, we just have to go to this file and change it. So inside src we have assets. Inside assets we have scss and then theme colors, and then underscore default underscore theme. So let's go and check. Let's change this button. Let me just copy it. Let me just change it to black, this color, and save the file. So it's generating browser application bundles. Once this generate the bundles, the color will be changed. Right, let's go and check if the color has been changed or not. See, the blue color, as you can see, it was blue earlier and now it has been changed to black. Let's go back and and change it to the blue again. Let's save the file. Let's go and check if the color has been changed or not. Right, see, yep, it's back to the blue color. This is how you can override colors from this file. And to override the dark theme colors, you have to follow this one and change the color theme inside this file, right? Inside typography, we are using the Jakarta fonts. If you want to change the fonts, you just have to go to the main index file. Here is the main index file inside SRC. This is the one, index.html, and here you can see this is the link for font family. You just have to copy the new link and paste it here, and then changed the font family here also inside this file, inside assets, scss, and then underscore variables file. This is the file, and here it is written the font family. You just have to paste here, save it, and your font family will be changed. For the icons, we are using tabular icons, and you can get all the tabular icons on their official website, which is tabular-icons.io. If you want to use any extra icon, well, the dependency is also there, so you just have to go and find the icon that you want to use it. You just have to import like this. It's already there inside the project, the modules, and you can use the tabular icons like this, right? So to customize the main theme, there is one file which is app.config.ts. You have to go there and you can change the default settings. Let me show you how you can do it. Let's close the files. It says let's go to src, inside app, and then app.config.ts. so it's a TypeScript file. You don't have to change anything here. So like, yeah, this is the main file. So the default theme is right now the light theme. Let's go and change it to dark theme. Let's see if it's getting changed or not. The bundles are ready, and let's see the application is getting re-rendered. Let's see if now the default theme is dark, as you can see here. Let's go back to the main app.config.ts, and you can change the default settings. So this is the direction right now. The dir direction means it's to the left. You can change it to the right. See, you can use the RTL if you want to the in the right direction, right? Theme settings I've already shown you. We have the color themes. As you can see, we have many color options. These are the main options. We have 6 options right now. You can add more if you want by going to the main color files, and you can add more colors or change it if you want. So these are the color themes. We have blue, orange, purple, aqua, green, etc. So the current active theme is blue theme. You can change here if you want. You can also set the mini sidebar. You can change the horizontal layout if you want cards with border or not. These are some of the settings, the default settings that you can change inside this file, right? Let me just remove it. Let me just comment out and save it. Right. So to go to the sidebar. So what we have to do, we have to add a new page link basically to the sidebar, and then we have to mention the route inside this app routing.module.ts. So I'm going to this sidebar -data.ts file. Right, this is the file, and what I'm doing right now is I'm just copying the dashboard one and I'm changing it to the something else name, maybe chat. Icon, you can change icon name if you want. You can change the basic primary color. Let me give this to warning, and I'm also changing the route to this file apps/chat. Right. So I'm saving it. Let's see if the our main application has added a new page or not. See, a new chat option has been added. This is how you can add the new route links of your new pages. And once you do it from here, then you have to go to the app-routing.module.ts, and you just have to mention the route link here. That's how you can add new routes or new pages inside the project. So this project is also a multilingual project, which means the project is using different languages. So we have Spanish, English, France, and German for now. You can add more languages if you want. So in order to use it, you just have to make a JSON file and convert the. Let me just first show you. If you change it, the sidebar will be changed to the Spanish. Then we have French and the German. For now, this content is changing. If you want to change more, then you can go to these files. It's inside the JSON file. It's inside assets, src, inside assets, and then I think, yeah, I18. These are the files. For now, it's I think the sidebar is mentioned. You just have to type what you want to change, and then manually do the conversion of the language, and this is how you can use it. This is one of the files for different languages, JSON, and the usage is inside the header.component.ts. So you have to make few changes inside this file also, right? Right, authentication part. So I haven't shown you the login page yet. I think let's go to logout. Yeah, this is it's also using the auth guard. So this is it's uh, it's on the front end. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you're using the backend, if you will integrate the backend, then you don't have to use it from the front end. This is the file, main file, and as you can see, it's the username and password is written here. Let's try as username and the password is admin. Let's sign in, and you have logged in. So you want to change the login authentication, you can change this file. So this is how you can set up your whole project and change the default settings, etc. How you can I've shown you how you can add new pages, how you can change your authentication. But if you still face any issue, you can raise the support ticket. Just go to the support.wrappixel.com and you can raise a ticket. Your query will be resolved as soon as possible.